Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to clear Windows Defender clean history, right? So how you can delete it. So first of all, you have to go to the search and here you have to search for Windows Security. Once you're here, click and open it up. Then you have to go to the virus and threat protection. And once you're here, you can see it will show you everything. Now here, you can just click on protection update and you will able to see all the history, right? So if you want to delete it, so what you have to do, you have to open your file explorer. So basically you have to just click on this PC, right? And you will get open here, and let's say that I will go to the desktop section of this PC, and inside this PC, let me just minimize and let me show you clearly here, right? And once you're here, you have to select the operating system, open it up, and here we have to go to the program data. So as you can see here, we are not able to see the program data, right? So to open the program data, basically it's hidden. So you have to click on the three dots. Then you have to go to the options. Then just go to the view section here. And you will see an option to view or display the hidden files, right? So let's go down here and somewhere we have to find that option. And here we are. So you have to click on show hidden files. Then you have to click on apply and then you have to click on OK. Now once you apply, you will see there's a lot of option. And here we have program data. Open it up. Then you have to go to the Windows Defender section. So you have to click W on your keyboard. And here we are. So basically we have to find this. So if you're not able to find this Windows Defender option, no worries, you have to go to the Microsoft option. So here we are inside Microsoft, you will definitely find this Windows Defender as we right now you can see. And here, if you're able to see this, right, and inside this section, you will find this option of history somewhere, and just go to scans. You have to click on continue, right? So you need to have this admin option to open this scan section. So inside this scans, you will find option of history once you open it up, and inside you can just history whatever find you can just delete it. And once you delete it, every history of your Windows Defender scans will get deleted. So this is you can only do it once you have the access of admin of the laptop or PC of that system. So this is it guys. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.